Hello YouTubers, I got an issue today. 2005 Mazda MPV. The problem is the shift is stuck. As you see, the handbrake is off. The car is running right now. Quick fix. There's a little hole here, little notch. I'm gonna try to do this at the same time. Stick something down there, your finger, screwdriver and whatnot. Push it down and at the same time shift. And there you go. And it's shift, no problem. Just like that. 2005 Mazda MPV, shifter stuck in park. You press that little button down there with a screwdriver or with your finger, and at the same time shift the gear while you have that down. And there you go.